She felt that this was that match was the event that would change her life. She kept on telling to herself that she could face, I can face anyone in the ring. Like that, she motivated herself. The first quarter final, she defeated Nadia Kochmi of Poland, and by RSC. RSC means referee stopped contest. It is applicable only when the boxer feels that the opponent is at the risk of being badly hurt, so the referee will stop the game. So first quarter final, she defeated Nadia Kochmi, and in the semi final she defeated Jamie Behal of Canada by 21 and 9. Then she reached the finals, and in finals she lost to Hula Sahin of Turkey by 13-5. Just before the finals, she was not able to she was not able to get used with the food there, and she had a loss of appetite. Hunger was there, and the weight had been reduced from 48 kg to 46 kg. This was the main reason for her to lose the gold medal, and she won the silver medal. She was very much disappointed on getting the silver medal, but her coaches were very happy. They were very supportive to her. They were consoling her, and they appreciated her on getting the silver medal. She was the only one in the team who got the medal. The biggest thing is that she got the belief from all the people that she was a champion, boxing champion. Mary Kom says that during the course of her career, as days passed on, she had to travel to different countries, and she came to know about their different things, their customs, everything. Once, when she went to China, what happened? She was given a chopsticks to eat her meals. It was really new to her, and just then only she had learned or mastered to eat with the spoon and fork. She found it very difficult to eat with a chopstick, but somehow she managed with both her hands and had her Chinese food. But whereas her other teammates, what they did, they asked for spoon and they ate with the spoon. But Mary Kom didn't give up. She ate with the chopsticks, her stomach full. She was able to satisfy her appetite and her hunger. After 5 years of traveling, she started to take food from her home itself. After returning from America with the silver medal in 2001 in Delhi, she was given a warm welcome by the people at the airport, and when she returned to Impal, she was greeted with garlands and drum beats and dancing. The felicitation program was arranged in Langol, where there was a government quarters. In that area, a felicitation program was arranged. Thanksgiving prayers were said, and many words of appreciation also was said by others about her. Then she was presented with a traditional shawl. Oja Ibamcha, he was a boxing coach. He was also present in that felicitation program. When she spoke to the people on Langol that day, she spoke and spoke to them with the hope that she would win the gold medal in the future tournaments.